do you think there's a funding bubble right now in the country?
In a way, there's a funding slowdown, which we are seeing in the last 2 or 3 years. Obviously, when we see year-over-year growth, it's showing growth, but it has been a bit of a funding slowdown because of the boom which came post-COVID. So post-COVID, 21, 22, there was massive money flowing into VC space. Then it paused for those 2 years, right? These were the years where actually investors got tested. There's a concept in valuation which is called a down round. There were many companies which did a down round. Down round का मतलब क्या होता है? Last round मेरी company की valuation आई, let's say 100 crore. Now my company is not able to sustain this business at 100 crore valuation. I need to raise new money. Investors are not ready to give me 100 crore valuation. So the next round, जब मैंने पैसे raise किए, it might be at a 60 crore valuation. That's called a down round. Obviously, we don't like that, but we have to accept it and move forward in this, because do you want the company to go down to zero, or better off have a down round? Last 2 years, there are so many companies which have had a down round rather than an up round in this scenario. So the funding is flowing in, but now investors are becoming more picky, right? You want to see some sort of performance. You're not just running after market grab or market share, which in 21, 22 yahi ho raha tha. People were throwing money to grab market share. That has slowed down. Now everyone wants to build a sustainable cash flow generating business, which is the right way to go, I think.